Past 24 hours went down 3.1%, as can be seen here. So since yesterday, relatively stable, and a sudden sell-off occurred. We fell back underneath 20K, support zone near 19.750K, last 24 hours. As I always say, always zoom out to get a better grip on what's occurring in the market. As you guys can tell, in the last couple of weeks, we saw a little rise, touched the 22K zone, got rejected, immediate sell-off, went back up, immediate drawback, and now, as you guys can see, 22K seems to be the level of resistance, and we are now falling back towards our support levels. Now, what is our support level? For that, I'm going to say simply zoom out, and can be clearly seen here, 14-day average at around 20K, slightly below it. Why dare I say around 20K? Well, if you zoom out even more on the monthly, each time we went straight under, we recovered back around those levels. Now, 20K is an average level, I dare say. I know a variety of technical analysts will start zooming out from the graph and say this is the lower point, so here's the most amount of support. Most amount of support, naturally 17 to 18K, though I might say 19K is heavy support level. And well, myself, I like to work with averages. By reason, a lot of people who trade try to guess the lowest level of the dip. They want to buy the dip in the sense of we want to have the lowest point. However, as you guys can tell here on screen, what I'm showing is that we are back into a sideways market with local tops. Little top which occurred here, correction slightly underneath 20K, rise again, almost reached 22K, already had such a scenario before, going back down towards 20K, and we will probably see a little dippy here, sudden rise perhaps, and back up towards 20K levels. So these are the trading ranges you need to take into account. I might even say zoom in more to get a better idea what the current trading range is. And the current trading range is, well, I might say, well, if you look at the 30K level, in between 19K up to 22K. That's your current trading range. Do you want to DCA, dollar cost average in it? Just take into account around 19K, just below 20K is probably a good and safe stepping in zone. Anything above will give you profit. With that, the market analysis.